blue color, blue color, green color, green color, black color, black color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A is for apple. A is for aeroplane. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. And use green color. Green color. The alphabets of B. Kids neither C. C is for cat. C is for car. And use black color. Black color. The alphabets of C. Kids neither D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use red color. Red color. Kids neither E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw numbers. And first they draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. Blue color. O and E1. The numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2. And use green color. Green color. T W or 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use black color. Black color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use red color. Red color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes. And first they draw a square. The shape of square. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle. And use green color. Green color. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle. And use black color. Black color. Kids write a heart, the shape of heart, and use red color. Red color. Kids write a Easter, the shape of Easter, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A is for apple. A is for ant. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. Kids now draw C. C is for cat. C is for car. Kids now draw D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Kids now draw F. F is for fish. F is for fan. Kids now draw G. G is for God. G is for grapes. Kids now draw H. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. And use black color. Black color. I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. Kids now draw K. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. And use red color. Red color. Kids now draw L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. And again use red color. Red color. M. M is for moon. M is for mango. It's again use red color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids now draw O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Kids now draw R. R is for rose. R is for rat, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw S. S is for sun. S is for sheep. Kids now draw T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. Kids now draw V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. And use green color. Green color. W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. It's again use green color and draw X. X is for X-ray. X is for a xylophone. It's neither Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Red color, red color. Green color, green color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O N E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T W O 2. Kids now do 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. Yellow color. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. And again use yellow color. It's neither 5. The numbers of 5 and use black color. F I V E 5. 6. The numbers of 6. Kids neither 7. The numbers of 7 and use red color. Red color. S E V E and 7. 8. The numbers of 8. It's neither 9. The numbers of 9 and use green color. Green color. N I N E 9. Kids again use green color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. Kids neither 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids neither 13. The numbers of 13 and use blue color. Blue color. 14. the numbers of 14, and again use blue color. Blue color. Kids night of 15, the numbers of 15, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 16, the numbers of 16. Kids night of 17, the numbers of 17, and use black color. "18", the numbers of 18, and again use black color. Kids night on 19, the numbers of 19, and use red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 20, the numbers of 20. Kids night of 21, the numbers of 21, and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 22, the numbers of 22. Kids night of 23, the numbers of 23, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 24, the numbers of 24. Kids today draw A, B. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fan. G is for glass. H is for hand. I is for eyes. J is for jog. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for teacher. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.